Okay, so hi, dear Gemini. A very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is 7 days, 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Gemini Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 16 till the 22nd of December. I'm going to pull one card for each day. You can take it as messages, guidance, warnings, or simple plain challenges or obstacles that you might face in this week. And if you want to be a tarot reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to like learn about the best healing modality of the universe, of the whole world, in my experience, Ho'oponopono, you can go for the 1 hour masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings or consultations, you can check out my website and you can book accordingly. Okay, if you have any issues, you can mail me on tarotanjali@gmail.com. Now let's see for Gemini, 7 days, 7 messages. I want to keep these videos very short and cut to the point so that you are going to be at peace and me also. Let's see. 16th, we have the guidance. Gemini, somebody around you, a wise person, a wise soul, or somebody spiritual, and or in your dreams, you will be able to get some kind of guidance regarding your problem that you're facing in your life right now at this present moment. Do not ignore that guidance. Do not ignore that guidance. Take the guidance quite seriously and work on that wisely. If not, seek guidance from somebody who can help you to come out of a situation that you are not able to come out of yourself. It's completely fine. Taking help is important. 17th, we have the experiencing. So whatever experiences you have till this point in your life, you will be tested by the universe in some way. Some kind of issue that you already like experienced in the past will pop up in your life again, so that the universe is going to see what you're going to do about it this time, right? So with all due respect, with all the wisdom and experience you have gained, do the right thing. Choose to do the right thing, and or you will be doing it. Again, you can take it as messages or guidance, whatever you feel like according to your energies. 18th, we have the creator. So the creator, the universe itself, is going to help you in coming out of a situation that you're facing from quite a long time by giving you the courage and the strength to overcome that situation. So you are going to feel a surge of energy. You are going to feel like you have the energy and the power and the strength and the courage to let go of something or someone out of your life, out of your system, that you're not able to do from quite a long time now. So this is a direct indication that you can do it. You can do it. The universe got your back. Listen to your intuition and meditate on your solar plexus chakra. Hmm? 16, 17, 18, 19, we have the integration. I do see a beautiful integration of divine feminine and divine masculine. You anyway is a Gemini. You have a dual personality. You have a dual characteristic in your nature. It's by nature, right? So integration and Gemini together, beautiful energy. Your divine feminine and masculine is going to be so much beautifully integrated that you're going to feel at peace within yourself without any reason. You are going to feel like you're emotionally balanced. You are mentally balanced, and everything feels like a balanced kind of energy. Yin and yang is going to be balanced. Very beautiful day for you guys. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, we have the clinging to the past. Okay, on the 20th of December, you might face some kind of issue related to your past. Something or someone from your past might pop up in your life again, and it's going to create a lot of uh, not so good energies for you. And even if someone is coming towards you with this kind of energy forgiveness, you will not be able to do that. You will be clinging to the past about whatever happened. Don't do that. Clinging to the past is never going to give you anything that you really want in your life, because past is gone. You can't change it. No saint, no god, no power of the universe can change the past. It's done, it's gone. So like clinging to it is not going to help you in any way, honey. Let it go, let it go. Okay, let it pass. Now on the 21st, we have the traveling. So you will not be able to see the clear picture of something that you are starting or you started at some point of time. It could be related to your spiritual path and or your like work area or job or career area. But keep on going, keep on traveling. You will be able to see the light at the end of the tunnel very, very soon. Your journey, your traveling is not going to go in vain. Okay, so just keep going. You will be able to see the clear picture while walking on the path. You will be able to see the path. 22nd, the outsider. So you might feel different from others. You might feel like you are not the same as others are. Nobody is same actually, but you might feel a little bit left out in the cold, or you might feel like people are not able to understand you or your point of view. It's completely fine. It's completely fine. You are not an outsider for the universe. you are the part of the same universe. You can definitely like that the lock is not closed, right? You can just open the gate, you can just break the chain, open the gate and go outside and have fun. It's your own self created limiting beliefs and your own energy of limiting yourself from the energies of I can't do it, or I can't mix in this kind of an energy or society or whatever. It's your belief, right? You can. The universe is not going to differentiate like between you and others. It's going to welcome you also. Hmm. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. I'll see you soon. Basically, be proud of being different, right? So thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.